Hello everyone, let's talk about Microsoft quietly extending security updates for Windows 10 devices. As you probably already know, the company ended support for Windows 10 on October 14, 2025, but through the Extended Security Updates program, Microsoft extended devices support for an extra year. The original program was supposed to end on October 13, 2026, but now the company has updated its support page confirming that the Consumer Extended Security Updates program will now run until October 12, 2027. And this is not just a day change. It extends the safety net of millions of computers that were expected to lose security patches on October 13, 2026. For many users, especially those still running capable hardware, the extension lifts the immediate pressure to upgrade or replace working systems. And the biggest story is the economic friction. Computer prices, hardware constraints, and compatibility gap in upgrades had slowed the switch to Windows 11. By extending the program, Microsoft is effectively acknowledging that the transition is taking longer than planned, while still keeping older systems protected against active threats. But remember, the Extended Security Updates program does not add new features. It only delivers critical and important security fixes through Windows Update. The enrollment still happens through the Windows Update settings, and you must be using your Microsoft account and meet the eligibility requirements. From there, you can activate the coverage in one of three ways, including syncing your settings for no additional cost, redeeming 1,000 Microsoft Rewards points, or paying $30 one-time fee. Once enrolled, protection will continue automatically through October 2027, and the same activation can be used up to 10 devices linked to the same account. So what are your thoughts about Microsoft actually extending security updates for Windows 10 users? Let me know in the comments. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.